If your liquid highlighter has dried up, a few drops of beauty oil can do the trick. Add a few drops of oil into the highlighter tube and shake well to mix. The oil will help to break down the dried product and restore its liquid consistency. Remember to patch test first to ensure it doesn't cause any skin irritation. The lifespan of mascara and eyeliner can be significantly extended with these simple tricks. Saline solution. A few drops of saline solution can restore the consistency of dry mascara or eyeliner. Add a small amount of saline solution to the product and mix well. The saline solution will rehydrate the product without altering its formula. Coconut oil. If the product is excessively dry, a tiny bit of coconut oil can help. Add a small amount of coconut oil to the product and mix well until the consistency is restored. Remember to use sparingly to avoid making the product too oily. In summary, with a little time and effort, you can resurrect your favorite lipsticks, highlighters, mascara, and eyeliners. These simple yet effective techniques utilize household items or products easily available online or in stores. Remember, always clean your tools and containers thoroughly before use and ensure that any additional products used are safe for cosmetic use. So, the next time you find yourself mourning the loss of a beloved beauty product, take a deep breath and remember that with a little bit of Glamour Guru guidance, you can restore them to their former glory. This is Glamour Guru signing off until next time. Keep shining, keep dazzling, and most importantly, keep exploring the wonderful world of makeup.